Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Marie. Welcome to the 2000 Core Cantonese Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is 大馬 large 大馬大馬 large 大馬 large size 大碼加大碼 extra large 加大碼加大碼 extra large 可唔可以換加大碼 Can you exchange it for an extra large size? 可唔可以換加大碼手做 handmade 手做手做 handmade 手做手袋可以好貴 Handmade bags can be very expensive 手做手袋可以好貴棉 cotton 棉棉 cotton 棉質 T 恤 cotton T-shirt 棉質 T 恤羊毛 wool 羊毛羊毛 wool 一團羊毛 ball of wool 一團羊毛麻布 linen 麻布麻布 linen 間紡織廠用棉花、麻布同絲做布料 The textile factory creates fabrics from cotton, linen, and silk. 間紡織廠用棉花、麻布同絲做布料。晚裝裙 gown 晚裝裙晚裝裙 gown 佢着咗一條好華麗嘅晚裝裙去畢業舞會。She wore an elegant gown to the prom. 佢着咗一條好華麗嘅晚裝裙去畢業舞會。燕尾服 tuxedo 燕尾服燕尾服 tuxedo 着燕尾服嘅新郎 groom in a tuxedo 着燕尾服嘅新郎涼鞋 sandal 涼鞋涼鞋 sandal 啡色涼鞋 brown sandals 啡色涼鞋 her boot her her boot 呢對靴太緊 These boots are too tight 呢對靴太緊 Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or a phrase in English. Respond in Cantonese, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say large? 大碼 大碼 And how to say extra large? 加大碼加大碼 What about handmade? 手做手做 Do you remember how to say cotton? 棉棉 Let's try wool. 羊毛羊毛 What about linen? 麻布麻布 Now let's see if you remember how to say gown. 晚裝裙晚裝裙 Another one. What about tuxedo? 燕尾服燕尾服 Do you remember how to say sandal? 涼鞋涼鞋 And finally, do you remember how to say boot? Her Well done! See you next time. 再見